saya Subhan Khalid Nisperi, mahasiswa BPG LPTK Negeri Makassar dengan nomor induk mahasiswa 239025495165 pada hari ini, hari Selasa, tanggal 5 Maret 2024 akan melaksanakan praktek video pembelajaran inovasi dengan metode pembelajaran PBL untuk memenuhi uji kinerja dalam rangka sebagai ujian mahasiswa BPG Angkatan 3 tahun 2023.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day, my student. How are you today? Okay, before we start learning, I will check your presentation today. Saya akan panggil dulu daftar hadir kalian hari ini. Anissa Putri Susanti, Alfian Tri Anjani, Arka Dwika Wijaya, Alfarisi Dwi Putra, dan Nesa Aulia Ramadhani, Dapa Al-Fikri. Okay, before we start learning, I hope one of you lead to a prayer. Coba kita berdoa dulu. Salah satu pimpin. Ketua kelasnya pimpin. Ya, kalau sudah selesai berdoa, tolong salah satu pimpin nyanyikan salah satu lagu wajib, yaitu Garuda Pancasila.
Garuda Pancasila, akulah pendukungmu, patriot proklamasi, sedia berkorban untukmu. Pancasila dasar negara, rakyat adil makmur sentosa, pribadi bangsaku, ayo maju, maju, ayo maju, maju, ayo maju, maju.
Pada hari ini kita akan belajar tentang job and profession. Okay, before we start learning, I will ask you some question about your family. Okay, what is your father job? What is your father job? farmer. Jadi hari ini kita akan belajar tentang profesi orang. Anda bisa sebutkan jenis-jenis profesi. Teacher, dokter, policeman. Ya, sebelum kita lanjutkan ke mata berikut, kita perhatikan dulu video pembelajaran berikut ini.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How is your life today? Kesempatan ini saya akan menjelaskan materi kelas 7 chapter 6 we learn what we do. Dalam bagian 42 ini kami akan fokus pada job or profession. Please observe the following dialogue. The teacher and his students, they are in class. Good morning. Today we are going to learn about job and profession. Benny, what does your father do?
My father is a farmer. He plants and grows rice.
That's great. How about you, Kama? What does your mother do?
She is a teacher. She teaches mathematics in junior high school.
That is wonderful. Hello, how about your mother? What does she do?
She is a chef. She always prepares and makes food in restaurants.
That's excellent. What does your father do, Fatima?
He is a surgeon. He performs operations on her patients.
That is excellent. How about you, Farah? What are you?
I am a student.
That's good. Pada tayangan kedua ini, there are 5 pictures about job or profession. Please observe the picture. Mr. Suparu is a fisherman. He finds and catches fish in the sea. Kang Supari seorang nelayan. Dia mencari dan menangkap ikan di laut. Mr. Arna is a pilot. He flies and navigates the airplane. He works at aircraft industry. Pak Arman seorang pilot. Dia menerbangkan dan menavigasi. Dia bekerja di industri penerbangan. Mr. Arnold works as a policeman. He regulates traffic and catches criminals. He works in a police station. Pak Tarno bekerja sebagai polisi. Dia mengatur lalu lintas dan menangkap penjara. Mr. Yusuf works as a mechanic. He can repair a machine or car or motorcycle. He works in the repair shop. Pak Yusuf bekerja sebagai montir. Dia bisa memperbaiki mesin mobil atau sepeda motor. Dia bekerja di bengkel.
Oke, tadi sudah Anda saksikan pelajaran tentang job profession. Apa saja yang Anda dapatkan informasi dari video tadi? Apa saja jenis profesi orang? Apa-apa tadi yang dijelaskan di video? Bagian apa? Dokter, typist, driver. Jadi untuk ini, untuk seperti yang ada di video tadi, coba Anda perhatikan gambar kerja berikut. Kalau Anda buat kalimat sama dengan contoh. Sebenarnya dalam lembar kerja itu itu ya. Namun saya minta Anda membuat kalimat yang lain tetapi sejenis dengan itu. Maksud sejenis itu begini. Kalau dia mengatakan I'm a student, I study in class, Anda cari profesi yang lain. Misalnya I'm a doctor, I work in the hospital. Atau I'm a teacher, I teach in the class. I'm a farmer, I work in the garden. Okay? You complete it. Anda lengkapi kalimat-kalimat itu. Anda bikin 3 buah. Seperti contoh. If you have a problem, you can ask me some question. Anda bisa bertanya dengan saya kalau mau kesulitan.
I'm a doctor. I work in the hospital. I'm a student. I study in the class. He is a teacher. He works in school and teach many students. My father is farmer. He plants and grows rice. She is a zookeeper. She works in zoo and keep many animals. She is a surgeon. She performs operation on her patients.
Oke, yang lain. Satu lagi. Terima kasih.
I'm a doctor. I work in the hospital. I'm a student. I study in the class. He is a policeman. He works in the police station. My father is a farmer. He plants and grows rice. She is a teacher. She works in the school. She is surgeon. She performs operation on the her patient.
Oke, thanks. Coba kita ulangi. Jadi kalau nama-nama profesi itu ada teacher, dokter, farmer, sailor, driver, pilot. Yang terkenal lagi chef, juru masak. Kalau tukang kamera juga disebut kameramen. Jadi dalam bahasa Inggris, dengarkan penjelasan saya dulu. Biasanya profesi orang atau orang yang melakukan kegiatan tersebut ditambah akhiran er atau or itu menunjukkan profesi orang. Misalnya teacher, teach bahasa Inggrisnya adalah mengajar. Jadi kalau orang yang mengajar disebut dengan teacher. Kata dasarnya adalah teach, mengajar. Jadi dia berubah menjadi teacher, menjadi pengajar. Farmer misalnya, kata farmer berasal dari kata farm. Farm berarti pertanian. Orang yang bekerja di bidang pertanian disebut dengan farmer. Ditambah akhiran er. Ya, kalau tadi teach, misalnya guru. Orang yang mengajar disebut dengan teacher. Dia ada penambahan huruf er. Atau kalau tidak itu dalam istilah bahasa Inggris itu sering mereka tambah dengan man. Misalnya postman, tukang pos. Kameramen, tukang kamera. Man itu artinya kan manusia. Kalau tidak ada or. Contohnya aktor. Aktor itu asal katanya action. Jadi itu kebanyakan profesi orang dalam bahasa Inggris. Cuma macam-macam dia. Ada yang ditambah akhiran est. Contohnya pianis, tukang piano. Gitar, gitaris itu pemain gitar. Untuk bentuk profesi orang. Gak bisa itu. Kalau sudah, sekarang coba bikin berapa orang? Ada 1, bikin 4 kelompok saja. Jadi Anda perhatikan gambar ini ya. Kemudian Anda lengkapi kalimat-kalimat itu berdasarkan gambar yang ada di sebelahnya. Kalaupun tebakan Anda salah, itu nggak apa-apa. Yang penting kalimat yang Anda buat itu benar. Misalnya kalau Anda nebak dokter, ternyata dia tukang pos, kalimatnya itu nggak masalah. Coba Anda kaitkan per kelompok. Nanti saya kaitnya per kelompok juga. Anda perhatikan gambarnya, Anda tulis kira-kira di gambar itu pekerjaannya apa. sudah? Jadi setiap grup yang present in your block atau setiap kelompok maju presentasikan hasil kerja kalian, dibaca semua ya. Coba mulai dari kelompok mana? Kelompok belum. Coba kelompok ini dulu kalau sudah. Semua.
What does she do? She is teacher. Where does she work? She works at school. What does he do? He is doctor. Where does he work? He works at hospital. What does he do? He is farmer. Where does he work? He works at farm. What does he do? He is policeman. Where does he work? He works at police stations. What does she do? She is nurse. Where does she work? She works at hospital. What does he do? He is fireman. Where does he work? He works at fireman department. What does she do? She is salon. Where does she work? She works at beauty salon. What does he do? He is postman. Where does he work? He works at post.
Great, thanks. Very good. Okay, other groups. Coba kelompok yang lain. Oke. Coba yang grup belakang.
What does she do? She is a teacher. Where does she work? She works at school. What does he do? He is doctor. Where does he work? He works at hospital. What does he do? He is a farmer. Where does he work? He works at farm. What does he do? He is policeman. Where does he work? He works at police station. What does he do? She is a nurse. Where does she work? She works at clinic. What does he do? He is a fireman. Where does he work? He works at fire department. What does she do? She is a salon. Where does she work? She works at beauty salon. What does he do? He is postman. Where does he work? He works at post.
Okay, thank you. Very good. Third year. Next, gather groups. Coba grup ini.
What does he do? She is teacher. Where does he work? She works at school. What does he do? He is doctor. Where does he work? He works at hospital. What does he do? He is farmer. Where does he work? He works at farm. What does he do? He is pilot. Where does he work? He works at airplane. What does he do? She is a surgeon. Where does he work? She works at hospital. What does he do? He is fireman. Where does he work? He works at fireman department. What does she do? She is salon. Where does he work? She works at beautiful salon. What does he do? He is postman. Where does he work? He works at post office.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Yeah, clap your hand. The last group.
What does he do? She is teacher. Where does he work? She works at school. What does he do? He is doctor. Where does he work? He works at hospital. What does he do? He is farmer. Where does he work? He works at field. What does he do? He is pilot. Where does he work? He works at train. What does he do? She is nursing. Where does he work? She works at clinic or hospital. What does he do? He is fireman. Where does he work? He works at fireman department. What does he do? She is salon. Where does he work? She works at beauty salon. What does he do? He is postman. Where does he work? He works at post office.
Thank you. All of your groups have been performed. Your activities and you was explained, you was mentioned some kind of profession. Ya. Jadi kesimpulannya hari ini kita mempelajari tentang menyebutkan job and profession atau pekerjaan atau profesi orang. Ada pertanyaan? Jadi kesimpulannya berbagai macam profesi seperti yang katakan tadi, kebanyakan bahasa Inggris itu setiap jenis profesi biasanya katanya ditambah er atau or. Saya kira pelajaran kita hari ini cukup sampai di sini, ya. Mudah-mudahan nanti Anda dapat mengingatkan semua mata pelajaran ini dengan baik untuk pertemuan berikutnya. Anda mengetahui tentang job and profession. I think all for today and see you next time.